Hello everyone, today, we will introduce low-code development. Low-code is a software development approach that allows users to create applications or trading strategies with minimal hand coding. Instead of writing every line of code manually, users can use visual tools such as drag-and-drop blocks, logic cards, or flow diagrams to build and connect components. Let's learn about the elements of a low-code development interface. The function area is located on the left side of the workspace. This is where you'll find all the available tools and logic components, such as mathematical operators, logical conditions, indicators, and system functions. The editing area is located in the middle of the workspace, where you design your logic visually. Here, you can drag and drop cards, connect them together, and define how the system should process each step. It's where you actually build and organize your strategy or indicator flow. Each action or logic block in the editing area appears as a card form. A card represents a single logical or computational unit. For example, checking if the price crosses above a moving average or performing a mathematical operation. Inside the card, you can set parameters, choose input values, and control the execution flow, such as what happens if a condition is met or not met. Now, let's explore the computational process. It refers to how EzQT executes your logic step by step. When the script runs, it follows the connected flow of cards, performing calculations, evaluating conditions, and producing outputs in order. Essentially, it shows how data moves and transforms through your logic, from input, to decision, to result. Let's take a look at the commonly used options. Logical provides all functions used to evaluate whether conditions are true or false. Arithmetic allows you to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Parameter lets you add input sources and variables. Trade contains commonly used buy and sell functions. System provides access to commonly used indicators. Next, let's go over the contents of the cards. The brown dots and lines represent values. You can determine the source of these values or how they are used depending on the card. Each card has green and red dots at the front and back, representing the flow. Green indicates a true result, and red indicates a false result. You can connect the next card based on the true or false outcome. Now, let's try to write a simple KD trade strategy script. First, go to File, then click on New. Select the Strategy tab and enter the script name. In edit mode, choose Low Code. Then click OK. The KD strategy is based on the stochastic indicator, which uses two lines, K and D, to measure market momentum. Next, search for stochastic, then drag and drop it into the editing area. Our goal is to generate trading signals when these two lines cross each other. To achieve this, we'll use two logical blocks. Cross above and cross below. Search for cross above. Then drag and drop cross above and cross below into the editing area as well. In the stochastic block, set K line to parameter 1, and D line to parameter 2 of the cross above block. This condition will trigger when the K line moves above the D line, signaling a potential buy. Next, set K line to parameter 1, and D line to parameter 2 of the cross below block. This condition will trigger when the K line moves below the D line, indicating a sell signal. Now, search for sell and buy blocks, then add them to the editing area. Connect the cross above block to the buy block, so that when the cross above condition is met, it executes a buy signal. Then, connect the cross below block to the sell block, so that when the cross below condition is met, it executes a sell signal. Next, search for input parameter, then add 3 input parameter blocks to the editing area. Name the first input block length and input a value. then connect it to the stochastic block's length parameter. Name the second input block RSVT and input a value, then connect it to the stochastic block's RSVT parameter. Name the third input block KT and input a value, then connect it to the stochastic block's KT parameter. Once everything is connected, click the Compile button to check for any errors. If the compilation is successful, your KD strategy is ready to be tested or applied in live trading. In this section, we will introduce the Write Code feature. The Write Code feature is developed based on easy language, allowing you to write code using its syntax. However, there may be certain exceptions where specific functions cannot be executed in EzQT. In such cases, please refer to the EzQT function reference for supported features. Now, let's take a closer look at the color scheme used in the EzQT code editor. Each color represents a specific element, helping you quickly identify different parts of your script. Light purple represents declarations, such as input or variable definitions. These define the parameters and storage values that your strategy will use. Dark purple indicates system functions, which are built-in tools provided by EzQT. Examples include CurrentDate and print. Pink is used for custom functions, which are user-defined blocks of code. For instance, average might be your own function designed for a specific calculation. Blue and brown highlight system keywords and reserved words, commands or actions that are built into EzQT. Examples include trading commands like buy and sell, or plotting functions such as setPlotColor. Light brown represents system data, referring to built-in data sources from the trading environment. Examples include date, open, high, low, and close. Gray is used for strings, which are text values written inside quotation marks. For example, long entry, short entry, exit long, and exit short. Gray-green represents numeric values, such as numbers or color constants. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, red, or blue. Finally, green marks comments, which are non-executable notes that help describe your code. These lines are preceded by //. Now, let's try writing some code and using the AI features. In addition to AI-assisted writing available in other AI applications, EzQT's IDE also includes a built-in AI assistance function. To access the AI code feature, users need to have an OpenAI API key. First, enter your OpenAI API key into the first box labeled API key. Next, input your project ID into the second box labeled Project ID. Finally, select the AI model that best fits your needs. Click Start, and you'll see a box where you can enter a prompt for the AI to generate code. Let's use the prompt Get Sample Strategies as an example. Once the AI generates the code, click on Copy to button. It will automatically paste into the IDE. And then click Compile. If Compile Successful appears in the information section, it means the code is correct. You can then test this strategy directly on your charts. If you don't have access to a paid API for this feature, you can also use AI tools such as ChatGPT or Google Gemini. For example, in ChatGPT, you can enter this prompt, then click on the arrow button. After the AI done writing the code, click on Copy button. Then paste the generated code into the EzQT editor and compile it. Thank you for watching this video. The prompts used in the video will be provided in the description.